Hello, this is Krystalstation Part 3. Cleaning with Krystal and Lesley now.
I thought you were done, Krystal, on Facebook, you said. I lied.
I'll show what you do. My baby's cleaning out our mini refrigerator right now. Right?
Yep.
That's what he's doing right now to show who you are, the real you, so people don't think bad about you.
Here.
Put that somewhere else. I
Throw
don't want to touch
Krystal.
it right
Throw it
now.
away or something.
I just washed my hands.
Okay.
Then I have to clean out tonight after I take pictures of all this food right here. All this stuff. I have to clean this bigger refrigerator. I make organized to make all this stuff fit in here. To let people know. That's why. And this is my ItWorks blender bottom. You can buy it on my website at bossbabekrystal.itworks.com. And this right here is good with sleepy tea. Okay, I'm busy right now. Please stop. This is the hot pink, don't know the name, it's hard to say the name. You can use this for ItWorks, our job. Me and Krystal works for. I can put it in the sleepy tea or super greens. The super greens are up here. That stuff right here, $40. You can buy it at my website. So yummy and delicious. And this is Krystalstation. Stay tuned and good night, everybody. About what happened to court today and everything going on. And subscribe to Krystalstation, everybody. And stay safe with the COVID out there.